हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है ज़ूलॉजी में वो है हनी, बी कीपिंग और एपीकल्चर। इट इज़ अ लैटिन वर्ड. एपिस मीन्स बी, कल्चर मीन्स कल्चरली मीन्स टू कल्टिवेट, यानी टू cultivate something from the bees. Apiculture or beekeeping is the rearing, care and management of honeybee for obtaining honey and wax. And the place where honeybees are reared is called apiary. The workers engaged in the beekeeping are called beekeepers, apiarists, or apiculturists. Four species of honeybee occur in India. One of them is exotic and normally grown only in bee boxes or artificial hives. It is Apis mellifera, Italian or European bee. It yields good quality and quantity of honey. Other three species are Indian. They are A. dorista, in rock bee, A. indica, Indian oriental bee, and A. florea, little bee. Honeybee belongs to the family Apidae of the order Hymenopteria. Hymen- Hymenopteria class Insecta. Rock bees, Apidorista is the largest. It occurs only in the wild. Apicus indica is docile bee which occurs both in wild as well as in the domesticated state. Apis florea, little bee, is low yielding species which is not preferred. Honeybee is social, colonial and polymorphic insect. It lives in the nests called hives. Hives usually hang down from the undersurface of the tree branches, roofs of caves, balconies, and extensions of buildings where they are safe from their enemies. A natural hive or nest of honey bee consists of vertical sheets of wax having a number of hexagonal cells. Cells on its sides for rearing young ones, which are we call the brood cells. Storing honey, storage cells, royal chamber and chamber for worker bees. Honey bee has three castes or types of bees: graved female or queen, male or drones and workers. So queen secretes an antiquinine substance or pheromone from its mandibular gland. It inhibits the worker bee to build any brood chamber for future queen or feed any larvae on royal jelly. Queen receives all the sperms it requires for its lifetime during the nuptial flight. The same are stored in the spermatheca. Eggs take about 3 weeks to hatch. At times, colony overgrows. The queen stops secreting antiquinine substance so that a new queen can be reared. As soon as the new queen is ready for its natural flight, the old queen, along with the newest workers, quiet the hive. This process is called bee swarming. The old queen and its workers settle down at a safe place and build up a new hive. Drones are male honeybees which develop from unfertilized eggs, which we called as ornithotochy. They are meant for the copulating with the virgin queen during the nuptial flight. Afterwards, they are not allowed to return the hive. Worker bees are stale females. During the first half of their life, they perform indoor duties as nurse bees, fanner bees, and guarded bees. During the second half, they perform outdoor duties as squad bees and forager bees. From seventh day workers, bees perform nurse duties for the queen. They secrete royal jelly from their hypopharyngeal gland. Royal jellies contains 12.5% protein, 11% sugar, and 5% of fatty acids. It is given to queen and for first 4 days to the other bees. Later on, worker bees and drones are supplied bee breeds consisting of honey and pollen grains. The compound responsible for converting a larva into queen is called royal lactation. An artificial hive or bee box has a brood chamber 1 to 2 smaller honey chambers, a lid at the top, a slit-like platform for exit or entry of the worker bees at the base, and stand with the legs kept in the water for protection against ants. When honey chambers get filled with the honey, the bee box is smoked to the enthusiastic worker bees. Honey frames are taken out and placed in a centrifuge honey extractor. After extraction of honey, the frames are pressed. While taking out honey, the beekeeper must cover every exposed part carefully to avoid possible attack by honey bees. By keeping is quite easy as it does not require much care. Beehives can kept at one convenience even in the courtyard or veranda or roof by some specialized knowledge required which is imparted by the agriculture extension services and other organs. It's important to know. Nature and habit of bees. In the next lecture, we will deal with it and we will see the economic importance of these bees. The honey we get, bee wax, bee venom, propels, pollination, etc. Then we will come to the lake in the next lecture. Thank you for watching.